Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, I'm so excited to have another beautiful day in the bluegrass, man. I tell you what, cannot wait to get started on this. We're doing some Creole Mustard seasoned chicken thighs, guys, on the Weber Kettle. And I can't wait to get this started. I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. I love the seasoning, but I've never done this on chicken thighs, so I'm just really anxious to see how it's gonna go. Let's get going. Okay, my seasoning, I have the Cuisinart. It's the Creole Mustard seasoning. I've used this on a couple things, just never the chicken thighs, so I just really wanted to give it a try on here. And we're gonna pair that with some applewood smoke out on the grill. I'm gonna turn this over on the other side so we can get a little seasoning out here. Get all sides. As soon as this grill comes up to temp, we're gonna get these guys on. We got a pretty hot basket of charcoal here. You can see I'm set up for indirect cooking. We are going to do this pretty hot fire. I fully intend to get this fire up to over 400. Be a fairly fast cook, just for cleanup purposes. Cover this up. Note how, if you notice, my fire baskets are over here. I put my vent and my gauge indirect so that I get more smoke over the food. Let's let this come up to temperature and we'll get that chicken out. Let's say we get this chicken on here. What do you think? It is windy. I sure hope my sound is okay. Try to get all of this over my drip pan down here. Piece of apple wood here. We're gonna get some smoke action going on. Do this. As a side, guys, I never show you a lot of sides, but we do a lot of simple stuff. But it's got some asparagus over here on the gasser. I didn't necessarily want to put these on that applewood smoke, so just fired up the gasser. We're going to grill these off over here in our basket. They will turn out as usual, delish. These were seasoned with some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, with some McCormick's, what was that, the Montreal chicken. Ooh, it's a hot fire. We got some heat going on. I'm gonna check some temps, guys. We're only about 15-20 minutes into this. I think we got a ways to go. I might dial the heat back a little bit though. No, we got a ways to go, guys. 125. That skin is really drawn back though. That's gonna be really nice. 130, we got a little ways to go. Want to get this at least to 175. I could actually deal with a 180, 185 for chicken thighs. Normally I'll start it, bring it up to temperature, a little bit lower temps, and then bring it up real high for the skin. This time I went a little bit higher because I was pressed on time. I'm gonna go a little bit longer, guys. This time I was pressed for time, so I went a little hotter. I think we're gonna be fine. I got the skin where I want it, beyond a little bit where I wanted it. yeah, a little bit longer, guys. We're gonna pull this. All right, guys, let's check this out. I think we're about there. Oh yeah, it is there. Instead of at 180 there. Wow. A little more pull than I intended, but I think we're there. Oh yeah. Let's get inside and give these things a taste test, guys. That's a pretty good little spread, ain't it? Let's get a bite of that. Feels good to be back outside. This turned out pretty good. Skin's very crisp. I could have done that a little differently, but that's okay. I think we got it. I'm gonna taste this. Skin is there, actually a little bit beyond there, to be quite honest. The flavor there with that Cajun mustard is on spot. That's that Cuisinart, the Creole mustard. I tell you, by itself, it reminds me of when I was younger. I used to get a lot of those mustard flavored pretzels. When I smell it, that's what it smells like. But it has a whole different flavor, texture on the chicken like this. So very good, guys. Try this. I rushed it a little bit just because I was short on time. But this chicken turned out really good. Chicken thighs can handle a lot of heat. You can bring your temperature up a little bit higher. Minimum 165 internal. If you can go to 175 or even 180, you're okay. There's enough fat in these that'll render out really good. So, guys, well, let me just because I'm here and you've seen me cooking it, just the asparagus on spot as always, guys. Thank you so much. Loving the springtime, or it's almost springtime. Not quite spring, but we're about there. So we're gonna see a whole lot more outside. We're still gonna do some inside cooks with the air fryer stuff. So my air fryer followers, hang tight. We got plenty more to come. Guys, thank you so much, and we will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.